Here's how to get OpenAI API key. Go to platform.openai.com and sign up with email or Google, whatever you normally use. Click the Start Building button in the top right corner. They'll ask you to create an organization right away, which is basically just your workspace. Put in something like personal or your company name. Pick what describes you from their dropdown and hit create. You'll see a screen asking about team members. Just click I will invite my team later, unless you actually need to add people right now. Then you see the Make Your First API call screen. Enter an API key name like My Test Key or something in the first field. The project name defaults to default project, which you can leave as is, or rename it to match your projects. Click Generate API Key to create your first key. OpenAI makes your first API key and shows you this curl command to test it. The curl thing is just a quick way to ping their servers and make sure everything's working. Hit continue. Now they want you to add money. You've got three options: 5, 10, or 20 bucks. They really want you to pick the $5 one, but honestly, you can skip this whole step by clicking I will buy credits later. That dumps you right into the main dashboard. Your API key list is tucked away behind that little gear icon in the top right. Click that, then look for API keys in the sidebar under your organization stuff. All your keys show up in a table here, including that first one they made for you. Want to make another key? There's a Create New Secret Key button up in the corner. Give it a name so you remember what it's for later, like Test Project, or whatever makes sense. The other settings can stay default unless you're doing something specific with permissions. Click Create and boom, new key. Here's the thing though, they only show you the full key once. Copy it immediately and put it somewhere safe. Your key works right away with all their models and stuff. Just remember to keep that key private. Never put it in public code or share it anywhere. OpenAI actually watches for leaked keys and kills them automatically if they find them floating around. You can check your usage and billing in that same sidebar to see how much you're burning through. The key starts working immediately, but you'll need to add credits eventually when you want to do real work with it.